First, we can draw circles as needed. Then create guides for the first part of the design. You can see, this design is made of 12 parts. After the first part is created, we can complete other parts. In third step, we complete the design by rotating the copies of the first part. Final step. Here we change the design color to gold color. Let's create circles. Select these two circles and change stroke size to 10 pixels. Then go to Path. Select Stroke to Path. Change Fill Color to No Fill and Stroke Color to Flat Color. Okay. We have finished creating the circles. Let's prepare the guides. You saw that there are 12 parts in this design. Therefore, 30 degrees are covered in one part. Set First Guide. Then double-click on Guide. Here, you should set -75 degrees as the angle. Then click Duplicate. Again double-click on Guide. Now, you should set 75 degrees as the angle. Click Duplicate. Now we can start our creation. I'll speed up the video to save your time. You can slowly create your own design in this empty space. If you need to flip an object horizontally, first select Object. Then change Rotation Center. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate and press H to flip horizontally. Again select Object. Then change Rotation Center. Press Ctrl+D. Press H. Now, select all circles and hide all of that. Then select the creation. Go to Path. Click Combine. We finished first part of the design. Now we can complete other parts. Let's go to Transform Tool. You can get Transform Tool here. In this window, you should select Rotate. Type 30 degrees as the rotation angle. Change the object rotation center. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate. Then click Apply. Again press Ctrl+D. Then click Apply. Repeat the same. Now, unhide all circles. Select all and press Ctrl+G to create a group. Now we are in our last step. Here, change the color like this. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.